cute.
You are a superstar.
Yay!
No. Just one. Just one. And all you have to do is get right back in your foot. I don't know if I did this when they were little because I had a hard time doing it where I couldn't stand up better. And I wasn't comfortable enough to do it. I would have been.
Oh, where you flip them, right?
Yep.
Let's see this.
You're going to flip. You're going to go right back
Ready?
in your flow.
It'll be fun.
Right back in your flow, pumpkin. Bend your knees for me. Bend your knees.
Yes! You got it.
Okay, you can do it.
That's it, right there.
Use this hand. Use this hand. You know what? I was going to help you move your hair because I want. Here, let me help you. Let me help you. I'll show you how to move your hair. So if that hair gets in your eyes, you just got to move it out.
Yep.
I will also take off her shirt when we do it and put it over her face.